Alright guys, welcome back to Country Boy Rallies. Hit the like button and like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna do this because nobody ain't got a video on it. I don't think so. Let's see, this is a really filthy lampshade that come out of a dumpster or something. Kind of been stored away in some other project. So, but we're gonna do lampshade versus dishwasher. We're gonna fill her up. You guys playing? Well, we're going to start it. It's a little dirty right now. And I'll catch y'all there in a little bit. Alright guys, it's finished. Let's go ahead and see what the end result is. Well, it looks pretty clean. Wow, that did a darn good job. No clickbait, does it really help? I didn't believe it. I'm going to take it to a table. Or over here. We'll do over here. That looks pretty clean to me. That's interesting. Well, like, share, and subscribe, and that was all dishwasher. I never scrubbed it, never touched it. I didn't even know dishwasher. Nobody has a video on this. That's pretty darn clean. Wow. Well, that'll show you how to clean your own dishwasher. I mean your own lampshades for your lamp. See, the material seems fine. You know, it's not real soft. That came up. So, I don't know. It seems perfectly fine. You know, you get a little bit of tearing there. I guess that was from wear and tear. I don't know. What do you think? Like your comments down below. I read them about once a week because I don't get much comments. I don't know if that was folded out or what. Other than that, it looks pretty clean. Show the inside. It's all nice and wet. Sure it'll have to dry. But like, share, and subscribe. That's pretty clean. So, thanks. And I'll catch y'all later. Oh, by the way, let's see. Yeah, it didn't rust at the top either. See? Or if it actually rusted bottom. No. Still got copper looking. So, I don't know. I don't see any problems with fabric. Like, share, and subscribe.